Hey y'all, what y'all up to today? Let's all do a little video. Bad storms coming our way. Yep. Oh, they calling for hail, a little bit of everything, but the storm's all over the place here in Virginia. She's coming down. It's going on. I'm right where that blue spot's at. But yep, got my weather station up over yonder on the solar shop, and I am just making a little video. It's kind of wicked looking out there now. Waiting for my Chinese food to get here. Hate when that happens. But yeah, man, there's a pretty good storm coming. I'll show you what it looks like in the distance. It's coming from the northwest is where it's coming from this area on down. That's where I'm at right there. All right, get out of this screen. Yep. All right. Anyway, this is what she looks like. She's wicked looking. I ain't kidding you. They calling for $50 size hail. All that good stuff. But we'll see. But clouds gonna weigh the thunderheads above us right now. So she's looking right wicked. Got some lightning right there in the background. I'll give y'all some updates here in a bit. Keep on videotaping. I'll see if we get some lightning in the picture here. I'm filming this with my little Nikon AEW 120 Alpha Whiskey 120 Nikon. Nice little camera. Alright. But y'all can hear it in the storm in the background. Alright, give you some updates here in a minute. Alright, folks. That is some wicked looking stuff there in the background. See if I can zoom in a hair. Look at that. That's wild. You know, my battery's getting here dead. I will be back in a minute. It's pretty wicked looking, y'all. Oh, just hang tight here in a minute. Alright. This camera's got incredible zoom on. Alright. Okay, folks, I'm back. Yeah, storms they fascinate me. It's incredible what Mother Nature what it can do. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty cool. That was my Chinese food just pulled up. I live in the middle of BFE. But I'll tell you one thing we found not too far from live at Chinese place delivers. Name is it's Chan's. Man, great little place, man. I tell you what, good food. Good food. Like it. Alright, anyway. Get back to the video. Just doing a little stuff right here. But yeah, that's some wild stuff. Then I got my waterproof camera out. Just in case. We got rained on, all that good stuff. I got my hard charger right here. This camera's good for drop proof, man, up to 8 feet. Freeze proof, waterproof, you name it. But good little camera. Alright. Be back in a minute, y'all. Yep, always keep a spare battery on hand. I had to put I got me another battery put in here. Pretty good video here, y'all. But they call for like it's a big hail, well, $half size. I'm looking forward to that. I don't want the guard to get messed up. But yeah, I got this little camera back in the winter, back in December. It's a good camera. It's a really good camera. You can videotape with it, take pictures, everything you want to do. And it's got Wi-Fi and GPS, all that good stuff on it. But I think I'm gonna get me a GoPro Hero 4 in the future. But I'm just thinking about looking at them, this and that. This thing does a good job. But always when you're like to film, I'm learning. I mean, every time I make a video, I learn. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and invest in some other equipment too. It's good to have. Nothing like making a good video. But anyway, there's a storm. It's rolling, y'all. Kind of got some mushroom clouds all up in that area. But yeah. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the front of the house to give y'all a better outlook when this storm coming through. All right. Yeah, y'all. This stuff is looking wicked, y'all. I mean, it's spiraling all around us. Let me zoom in a little bit. Look at that stuff. Great heat time of day. We got a lot of rain. There's blue in the background right here. That's the top of the house. The chimney got the cap on top of there. I built that back in '96. That's a wicked looking storm. We're gonna be a lot of people without power this evening. I can tell you that right now. When I see storms like this coming, I crank the air conditioning down to about 65 degrees to hold the heat in and all that stuff. There's my tomato eater right there, Cassie. Yeah, she's a trip. She is a trip. Alright. Hey folks, it's night, and this storm has been lasting for I don't know how long. Some rain here and there, a little bit of wind, but y'all can see the lightning strikes. It's pretty, it's awesome. I'm gonna go shut my wind turbines down. I love making wind power, but not that bad. They're calling for 70-mile-an-hour winds. So wind turbines don't like 70-mile-an-hour winds too good. Don't care what kind you got. That's my house. These are the storms. Oh God, I mean it's lightning everywhere, y'all. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Great day. Let me shut these turbines down. Alright. Y'all hang tight. It's dark. Anyway, hey y'all, I'm back again. I just shut my wind turbines off. That's the wind turbine in front of my shop, my building. That's number 2 wind turbine. And excuse me. Here's the brakes. That's my rectifier for number 2 wind turbine. My other rectifier is inside here. And this is number 2 wind turbine, brakes. And there's number 1 wind turbine. Right there. We get calling for bad storms, I'll go ahead and turn on the I'll go ahead and put the brakes on. Safety. Alright, check the storm out, y'all. A little something different. Lights out. Some wild stuff, y'all. You got my flag up there flying, my Virginia flag. Oh yeah, look at that stuff, y'all. It's a bad storm. It's a monster. The severe weather alarm on my radio station, no weather radio, has been going off all evening. But yeah, alright y'all. By the time I quit recording, there's gonna be a lot of good storms. I mean, you know what I'm saying. A lot of good lightning all coming through here. There you go. Man, that's amazing. This is June the 25th, 2015. I'm holding the camera freehand. Alright. Great time of day. There's the house right there, the light on, the pool and all. That's some wicked stuff in here, y'all. I'm shooting at 1080p at 60 frames per second. That's what I'm shooting at. That's some wild looking stuff there, y'all. There you go, look at that. I got the wind turbine shut down. If you can see here, when the lightning strikes, there they are. Well, there you go. That's the wind turbine. Got them shut down. Safety first, y'all. Look at oh my God, look at that. There's a cloud cover, it's like a round cloud cover coming right now. Y'all see that? That is some wicked stuff there, y'all. And again, I'm using my Nikon Alpha Whiskey 120, AW 120. Nice little camera. Yeah. Whoa. Here comes the thunder. That's a big mass of wind. You see the round circle coming. I mean, it's massive, y'all. Look at that. Y'all can see it's a ring, like a ring. we go. Alright, let's quit filming for a little bit. Alright, y'all. It's getting too close for comfort. The wind is coming in, and it's coming in like a bat out of you know what. It's about, I don't know, 10 to 20 mile-an-hour winds. I'm going inside. But the trees are they're going to town, y'all. Going inside. But we'll be lucky to have power for long. Y'all can hear it moving through. But I will be making a video if we lose power. Alright, folks. Going inside. Hey, y'all. How y'all doing today? I just want to say this little video here is about making thunderstorms. We had a lot of lightning and all that good stuff. Just wanted to show you, the wonders of Mother Nature and storms and lightning and all that good stuff. That was a heck of a storm to come through here last night. And I want to thank y'all for watching my videos. And y'all please subscribe. Alright, y'all have a good one now, y'all. Y'all take care now. Please subscribe. God bless and simplify. Alright now. Bye-bye. Find this old button right here. Alright now.